back to the vlog channel. Today I'm here with Paige.
Hey guys.
If you guys remember her, she was in my videos a lot when I was like 8th grade, freshman. But then we didn't really make a lot of videos together. We kind of took a break. I kind of took a break in our friendship, but
hey guys,
now we're best friends.
We're back. Don't worry.
Yeah, don't even worry. We just kind of took a break over the summer.
It was weird.
It was so weird.
This summer.
But yeah, we've been friends for a while again, but like I just haven't made any videos with her.
So
here, she's here, and I don't know if you've seen it, but like my most popular video on my main channel is this 10 things to do at a sleepover when you're bored with Paige. So yeah, you've seen that before. Anyways, we're about to go to Paloxine in like 15 minutes, but I have all these packages, so I thought it would just be fun to do an unboxing haul. Oh, also actually I think this one and this one, brands sent me stuff, so I don't really know what's in here.
Whoa!
Airbrush Makeup.
Wow, she's beautiful.
Oh my god. Airbrush starter. Whoa! It's foundation. Wait,
I love
my god,
foundation.
dude, this is a Airbrush Kit.
What is it?
Like for foundation.
Oh
look,
my
it comes with all the skin
gosh.
tones. Wait, what?
That's so cool.
Wait, no, wait, what is this? This is Airbrush Foundation. Use 6 to 8 drops. This is blush you can do.
I love
highlight.
liquid. Wow.
Whoa.
Yeah, but then what's in here?
That's like the machine. This is Airbrush.
That's so cool. Oh my god, I know what you're talking about.
Okay, so how do you say that? Luminous?
Luminous
Air sent me all of this
wow
airbrush stuff.
That's so exciting.
So they sent me some blush, highlight, and then 2 shades of foundation. I don't know if you've ever seen like airbrush foundation, but wow, that's really cool. I'm excited to try this out.
Is that the one machine where you like
you know, you just like spray your face.
That's so cool.
And it's like really airy.
Wow.
Okay, so
Airbrush.
yeah. Thanks, Luminous Air. This is Profusion. So Profusion sent me, do you remember when they sent me a whole bunch of stuff for
yeah.
They sent me some stuff in October, and here you can open it.
Oh yeah.
Oh, you guys don't know. I'm so wild about you.
Oh, wait, that's so
Two
cool.
Wildcats. Love Profusion.
Wow, it's so pretty.
We got lots of stuff. So much makeup. What is this? It's a box. Oh, this is Valentine's Day stuff.
Wait, that's so cute.
They sent me Dove chocolates. Oh my god, Profusion, thank you. I am
Wait,
so
what is this in
I'm
here?
shook. I'm shook. I am shook right now.
Oh wow, that's really pretty. Smoky eye.
No.
This is really difficult.
You know what? Just for you leading the video, Paige, we'll let you pick out anything you want.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks, Hannah.
Wow, that's really pretty. There you go.
Ooh, that's like all natural stuff.
Yes, it is.
Oh, this is another.
That's really.
Wait, this is the Pro Contour. Pro Contour. This is like.
Dude, that's like that one thing I got you. Remember that for Christmas or something?
Yeah.
Like that kit, but it was like cheap. It was like from Elf or something.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, yeah.
Oh my god, this is so nice.
Eyes and cheeks.
Okay, what one do you want? Take any.
From Profusion?
Yeah.
Let's see here. Okay, I never contour or conceal.
Y'all want
I don't know, what one do you not want?
I literally don't care. I have.
Let's just see. I kind of like this one, Hannah.
Oh, okay.
Do you want this one?
Take it. No, I have enough makeup.
Oh, yes. Score!
Score! This is some of the stuff I ordered from Brandy Melville, and I don't have any stuff from them. The only things I have is like a plain white t-shirt and these really cute checkered pants. It's okay. Yeah, I don't really order from them a lot, but I spent like kind of a lot of money.
I just got a Brandy Melville t-shirt from the Depop app or whatever.
Oh yeah?
And it was like $4.
Oh my god. I love Depop.
It was just like a green tank.
Okay.
Wow.
Wow.
I'm already like, you want to
Here
see?
you go. Oh, okay. Well, actually, I kind of cheated.
Wait, this is what you ordered, right?
Yeah. I kind of cheated, and I already opened my white sweatpants. I'll grab them.
Yeah. Did you spill coffee on them?
Yup. Right there.
Oh, man.
Yeah, come on, Hannah.
This is so cute.
Dude, oh my god. So cute. Emma Chamberlain told me that she got these from Brandy, so thanks, Emma. I know you're watching this, babe.
Wow. Wow. Oh, this is so cute. Look how cute that is.
Like, yes.
Wow.
Okay, the sad thing is though, is that this looks like stuff you could get from Goodwill.
No, yeah.
But like I'm so happy that's the style now.
This looks like it, yeah. Really,
It's just,
all
like,
of it
good
looks like
quality.
Goodwill.
Yeah.
Those are
So that's kind of sad that I spent like $30 on each of those, but they're really cute and super trendy. So, oh my god, yeah. Worth it, guys.
What is?
Dude,
What gives?
look at this.
Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh.
Dude, is this so beautiful?
Yes. No, this looks like. I can't even explain what this looks like. It just looks so cute.
It's so
all
pretty.
this kind of looks like something like you would wear like over like a golfing outfit or something.
Right?
It looks so cute.
Oh my god, I'm living for that.
Like this looks like something you would like wear in a country club or something. It's so cute.
I love the thrifting style nowadays. That's so in, like all the 90s thrifted, or not thrifted, but like all the stuff that you get at the thrift store that's like from the 90s. Okay, this stuff is super. Oh, you have. Wait, this is from Sephora, by the way. It's the best acne spot treatment I've ever tried. So I ran out of this, and so I just ordered some more, but this is what it looks like. I got it on Sephora.
Does it work?
Yes, I love it. This is all t-shirts from romewe.
Oh, I love that
romewe.
so much. I call it romewe.
Rom, whatever. Okay, so this top, I opened this package this morning too because I was in a big rush to get out the door, so I just threw this on with this thrifted red jacket from Goodwill, and then these jeans are from PacSun. Look how many freaking shirts I got.
Oh.
And these were literally like $5 each.
I need to buy some more clothes off there.
They're so cute. Okay.
I asked for some for my birthday, like cute shirts there.
Okay, so just start like opening all.
Okay, here we go.
Here we go, guys. Rapid fire. Oh my god, I forgot how cute these are.
Oh my gosh.
No way. I literally
These are
did all this
so
shopping like a
cute.
month ago and they just came in.
This
is
so cute. This color, it's like a mint green color. It says New York at the top. That's so cute.
Dude. Oh my god, I forgot I got this.
Oh
It's, like,
my god,
tennis.
that's so cute. And these are all like super like light. They're not like heavy like thick t-shirts. They're like really light.
For spring coming up in like 3
Yeah.
months.
I'm like, oops.
You can borrow any of these, by the way.
Oh yeah.
Paige and I share clothes. But
Yeah.
Paige, Ella, and I all do.
Yeah, we actually do.
Okay, so then next we have
I love that one. I saw that one when I was shopping at swimsuits. It's so cute.
What planet is that?
Jupiter.
Jupiter? This
I made that up.
like Jupiter. Yes, but I love the color yellow. Thanks. Yes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
I'm so jealous. These are so cute.
Reminds me of cotton candy. I don't know why I'm getting cotton.
It's like that one.
Yeah, these are like twins. Wow.
Oh my god, this is so
It's so 90s or 80s.
cool. Oh my gosh, look at this one.
I love that.
The sleeves are different colors. There's a yellow pocket right there.
Oh my god.
Oh my gosh.
I think that this all was under $100 too.
Oh my
like these shirts were so inexpensive.
This one is so cute.
I love that one.
It is.
It reminds me like something
like from a movie from
Steph would wear from
Yes.
Full House.
Yeah, and it looks like what girls wore. What's that one baseball movie? The really famous baseball movie? Sandlot. You know Sandlot? It's like little girls what they wore. That's so
Oh my god. Wait, what? I don't remember ordering this. Oh my god, I don't remember ordering this. What is this?
It's like a robot shirt.
It's like a robot face though.
This is so
yes.
cute. It has a bunch of different flags on the sleeve. That's so cool.
It's a robot shirt. I don't remember ordering this.
It has a robot on it.
It literally has a I think I'm gonna accidentally put this in my cart. This is definitely gonna be like a pajama. A pajama shirt for sure. I feel so, oh my god, I wasn't expecting like
so
all
good.
this even though I ordered it.
It's so good. Dude, I saw this shirt and I was about to get it in black. I literally saw that and I was about to get it.
Why is it so off the shoulders though?
I know, that's really low, but it's so cute.
It's okay. I can wear like a tank top under it. So this sweater, it's like
It's so
braided
cute.
at the top and on the bottom. It's still really cute even though it's a little
No, that's gonna be
it's
cute.
a little down, but like I'll wear
just wear
a tank top
underneath.
Yeah. So guys, that's it for our unboxing haul. Thanks for watching. If you want to follow both of us on our social medias, they're in the description.
Yeah.
And subscribe if you're new. Give the video a thumbs up. And
Oh my god, to finish sentences.
we gotta go to vlog soon. So peace out, guys. Love you.
Good night, guys.
Good night, guys.
Good night, guys.
See my peanut butter jelly snack, pull it, ride, busky, painting. That's my sunshine when it's raining. That's my boo, yeah, yeah. When I'm all alone, she pulled through.